Welcome to another episode in our affiliate marketing tutorial series. Feeling overwhelmed or burnt out trying to keep your affiliate business going? Let's simplify that by breaking down how to build a sustainable affiliate marketing strategy that lasts. Affiliate marketing can be a marathon, not a sprint. You want to create steady, lasting results without burning out. Here's what to focus on. Set realistic goals. Don't try to do everything at once. Focus on small, achievable steps that build momentum. Build a routine, create daily or weekly habits that keep you productive without feeling overwhelmed. Outsource or automate. Delegate tasks like content creation or social media posting when you can, using tools or freelancers. Why this works? Sustainability means you avoid burnout, maintain motivation, and build a business that grows steadily for years to come. Want a step-by-step system? Head over to website.fm. It walks you through choosing topics, creating content, and building a profitable affiliate site from scratch. Link in description box below. If you found this helpful, hit like, follow for more affiliate marketing tips, and I'll catch you in the next video.